please welcome our CEO, Miss April Martin, and our President, Miss Pauline Publico.
These two dynamic entrepreneurs are also behind Wine International Film and Entertainment, Dear Cause Corporation, Luxus Aesthetica Furniture, and finally, what we are here for this afternoon, grabe, Aromagicare Hotels and Resorts. These two beautiful ladies really are visionaries, and what, aside from Aromagicare, we have to give acknowledgement as we enter this exciting collaboration with pillars of our entertainment. Warm round of applause. Miss Tracy Garcia, Senior Talent Management. Miss Anne Puno Ignacio, AVP for Talent Sales, Branding and Marketing. And finally, Miss Joy Marcelo, First Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Thank you so much. Also joining us, Mr. Charlie D. And they're all here in front, kompleto na po sila. And ladies and gentlemen, you have your phones up. And now, the moment that each and every single one of us has been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest face of Aromagicare. And the total charmer, the one and only Mr. Dustin Yu.
Everyone, let's give a round of applause to our newest brand ambassador, brand endorser, Mr. Dustin Yu. Thank you, Dustin, for being with us today. And we're so honored to introduce Dustin as our newest brand endorser of Aromagicare. We're so happy, we're so glad. Looking forward to do more projects with you in the future. And thank you again, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. P. Dustin, welcome to our Aromagicare family. Also, thank you, Sparkle family, for believing in the brand. And to the media and the press, thank you for being with us today, because this day is important to us kasi sabi nga din sa namin, sa mga posts namin about Aromagicare, we see that this is a magical journey with Dustin. Not just because he's going to grow with us, because we will also be growing with him. So as you know, that the brand aspires to really go global. And not to mention all the plans that we are about to unveil and unleash anytime soon. But before I end this, no, not the program, okay, the segment, okay, we are so excited with this partnership, and in fact, we already have something big, yeah, in store for you. And we think this is the perfect time to share this with you all. On December 4, yeah, we will have the very first Dustin Yu experience. This is definitely an exclusive event for Dustin Yu and Aromagicare family. Congratulations, Dustin.
Alright, congratulations. Dustin. So, kaabang-abang yan. Lagi mark your calendars po. December 4, 2025. This is an early Christmas present to everybody. Alright? And by the way,
for answer your question, Tito Jude, I'm so happy to see you here. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yeah,
And,
I'm so happy also to see you here. The last time I saw you was in Dubai.
In Dubai pa, sa mall, nag-shopping ka.
Ikaw nag-shop.
Anyways, kidding aside. Of course, very proud na ako yung first local artist na naging endorser ng Aromagicare. Yun nga, pinag-usapan namin a while ago. After Korea, nagkaroon sila ng Thai actor endorser. Tapos next is ako na. So, kanina sinasabi ko sa kanila na grabe, sobrang laki ng tiwala na pinigay nila sa akin. And of course, ako may ibabalik ko yun. Hindi ko siya maibabalik ng basta-basta ng thank you lang. So, natuwa ako kasi sinabi nila sa akin na mag-grow ako kasama sila. And yun yung hinahanap ko sa mga brands na makukuha natin. Of course, ako kasi, if you know me, advocate ako ng wellness. Marami akong ginagawa in life. And super swak ng brand na to kasi, yun nga, nag-work ako almost every day. Tapos nahilig ako sa sports. So, by that being said, madalas sumakit yung katawan ko. so, I'm happy na yung product na ma-endorse ko is magagamit ko siya every day. And super proud. And wala, no words can express how happy I am now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dustin.
Dustin actually represents the brand eh. So sabi nga niya, di ba, yung wellness, siya mismo into that. Also, we see a lot of potential kasi dito sa bata yung tawag ko eh, no? Parang ang age gap eh, kay Dustin. And he is fit for the brand and we know that he can uphold that standards eh, the kind of standard that we started. Actually, siya yung first ever local endorser, brand endorser, but we had some celebrity partners in the past naman, like Liza De Castro, Mamang Pokwang, Winay, but first namin ever na nag-sign for brand endorser at si Dustin yun.
Yes, Ms. Tuki.
Dustin's passion for wellness and commitment to living a healthy, balanced, and mindful life perfectly aligned with Arrow Magic Care. So, fit talaga siya and nakikita natin yung impact kasi ni Dustin today. He is very impactful pagdating sa mga brands. So, I've said this before that Dustin is a perfect choice for Arrow Magic Care.
Wow. Actually, mukhang simple yung tanong, no? Pero honestly, ano ba? Of course, with all the work na kailangan ko gawin after PDB, hindi ako masyado nakapagpahinga. But then, kinokontrol ko yung mindset ko na parang every time na pauwi ako, mag-spend ako ng how many minutes with my parents. So yun yung rest for me now. Yung kasama ko yung mga siblings ko, mga cousins ko, na kahit na isang oras lang, nagiging nasa-set aside yung trabaho. And kahit hindi ako nakakapagpahinga or tulog, as long as kasama ko yung mga tao na happy ako, in a way nakakapag-rest na rin ako. So, yeah, yun.
Pero normally ba kung yan ng trabaho, ano ba yung idea mo ng relaxation?
Oh wow, out of the country or out of town, man lang sana. Pero because of the tight schedule nga, hindi ko siya mahanapan ngayon. But ako kasi, if kilala yun ako, super hilig ko rin talaga mag-travel. Actually, excited niya ako kasi may balising kami, di ba? Tama ba? Nag-travel kami with the brand, so super excited. Feeling ko yun yung magiging first na travel ko and pahinga naman at the same time.
That's good to know. And lastly, kanina may teaser ng Dustin new experience. Siguro from you and from Arrow Magic Care executives, you could give us a little teaser on what we can expect sa Dustin new experience coming December or November?
December.
Yes. What do you expect?
Yeah. Ako masasabi ko lang, first, sobrang thankful ako sa event na to because like ko sinasabi na gusto ko ibalik sa mga supporters or sa mga fans na sumuporta sa akin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya yung pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga boto o sigaw o basta lahat ng naitulong nila sa akin. So, perfect timing lang, no? Actually, itong event na to is para sa kanila talaga. Feeling ko dito ko mabibigay sa kanila yung pasasalamat ko. So, mas makapag-bonding kami siguro. Mas makikita nila yung kung sino ba talaga si Dustin. Pag hindi, kung sino ba talaga si Dustin mag-perform. Or basta, super excited ako for you guys and for me also and for the brand, of course. Kasi ito na hinihintay natin na experience at looking forward na maging happy tayo lahat.
Usually, this April, baka mayroon yung regarding the Dustin experience. Do we have a special guest po ba or other activation leading to the event?
Ang isang alam namin talaga na kaka-excite ng lahat, ipapakita ni Dustin yung isi-showcase niya, yung Dustin you. And, kasi from the di ba, universe. Yan, he will definitely sing and perform, dance and perform, and for the guests, he actually would choose his guests. So, abangan niyo po yung kanyang i-unveil, i-reveal na guests na ikakasaya ng marami.
Alright, we're looking forward to that. Salamat!
Thank you so much for that good question. This is going to be an exciting